Welcome to this video on speed breeding, an innovative approach that is transforming modern agriculture and plant research. As global challenges such as climate change, population growth, and food security continue to intensify, the demand for faster crop improvement has never been greater. In this session, we will explore how speed breeding helps scientists and plant breeders accelerate the development of improved crop varieties. We will cover its principles, technologies, applications, and its growing impact on global agriculture. Let us begin by understanding what speed breeding really means. Speed breeding is a technique used to accelerate plant growth and reproduction by manipulating environmental conditions such as light, temperature, and humidity. Under normal field conditions, plants follow natural seasonal cycles, which limits the number of generations. However, in speed breeding, plants are grown under controlled environments where optimal conditions are provided continuously. This allows plants to grow faster, flower earlier, and produce seeds more quickly. As a result, multiple generations can be completed within a single year, significantly reducing the time required for plant breeding programs. Traditional plant breeding is a slow and time-intensive process, often taking 8 to 12 years to develop a new crop variety. With increasing global population and changing climate conditions, this pace is no longer sufficient. There is an urgent need to develop crops that are high-yielding, disease-resistant, and tolerant to environmental stresses such as drought and heat. Speed breeding addresses this challenge by shortening the breeding cycle and enabling faster genetic improvement. It plays a crucial role in ensuring food security and sustainable agriculture. The fundamental concept of speed breeding is to create an environment where plants can grow continuously under ideal conditions. By eliminating environmental limitations, plants can complete their life cycle more rapidly. This involves extending the photoperiod, maintaining optimal temperature, and ensuring adequate nutrition. These factors collectively stimulate faster vegetative growth and early flowering. In simple terms, speed breeding is about providing the best possible conditions for plants to grow as quickly as possible. Light is one of the most critical factors influencing plant growth and development. In speed breeding systems, plants are exposed to extended photoperiods of up to 20 to 22 hours. This prolonged light exposure increases photosynthesis, leading to faster biomass accumulation and accelerated growth. It also influences flowering time, especially in long-day crops like wheat and barley. LED lighting systems are commonly used because they are energy efficient and allow precise control over light intensity and spectrum. Temperature plays a vital role in regulating plant metabolism and development. In speed breeding, temperature is carefully controlled to maintain optimal growth conditions. Typically, temperatures are kept around 22 to 25 degrees Celsius during the light period and slightly reduced during the dark period. This helps mimic natural conditions while promoting faster growth. Proper temperature management ensures that plants develop quickly without experiencing stress or damage. Speed breeding has been successfully applied to several important crops, including wheat, rice, barley, chickpea, and pea. These crops respond well to extended photoperiods and controlled environments. However, the effectiveness of speed breeding may vary depending on the crop species and its physiological characteristics. Research is ongoing to adapt speed breeding techniques to a wider range of crops. This will further expand its applications in agriculture. One of the most widely used approaches in speed breeding is the use of controlled environment chambers or glass houses. These facilities allow precise control of light, temperature, and humidity. Plants are grown under artificial lighting systems, usually LEDs, which provide consistent and adjustable light conditions. This method ensures uniform growth and allows multiple generations to be produced rapidly. Controlled environments are essential for achieving reliable and reproducible results. Speed breeding relies on advanced technologies to create and maintain controlled environments. These include LED lighting systems, automated climate control, hydroponics, and sensors. Sensors continuously monitor environmental parameters, ensuring optimal conditions for plant growth. Automation reduces manual effort and improves efficiency. These technologies play a crucial role in the success of speed breeding systems. These methods allow plants to be grown and developed under laboratory conditions. Embryo rescue enables early harvesting of immature seeds, reducing generation time. Tissue culture allows rapid multiplication of plant material. These techniques are often integrated with speed breeding to achieve even faster results. Shuttle breeding is another technique used to accelerate plant breeding. In this approach, crops are grown in different geographical locations with contrasting climates. For example, a crop can be grown in one region during one season and then moved to another region for the next season. This allows multiple generations to be grown within a year without relying entirely on artificial environments. Shuttle breeding complements speed breeding and enhances breeding efficiency. The advantages of speed breeding are numerous. It significantly reduces the time required to develop new crop varieties. It increases genetic gain and allows rapid selection of desirable traits. It also supports research in plant genetics and genomics. Overall, speed breeding enhances productivity and accelerates innovation in agriculture. Despite its benefits, speed breeding has certain limitations. It requires a high initial investment in infrastructure and equipment. Technical expertise is needed to manage controlled environments effectively. Not all crops respond equally well to speed breeding conditions. Additionally, improper management can affect seed quality. Therefore, careful planning and execution are essential. Speed breeding is often combined with modern breeding techniques such as marker-assisted selection, genomic selection, and gene editing. This integration allows rapid identification and selection of desirable traits. By combining genetic tools with accelerated growth cycles, breeders can achieve faster and more precise crop improvement. This represents the future of plant breeding. Speed breeding is being adopted worldwide by leading research institutions and agricultural organizations. It is widely used in crop improvement programs, especially for cereals like wheat. Its adoption is increasing as more researchers recognize its potential to accelerate breeding and address global challenges. This global trend highlights the importance of speed breeding in modern agriculture. The impact of speed breeding on agriculture is transformative. It enables faster development of improved crop varieties, enhancing productivity and resilience. It supports sustainable agriculture by reducing the time required for innovation. It also helps address challenges such as climate change and food security. Speed breeding is playing a key role in shaping the future of agriculture. The future of speed breeding is highly promising. Advances in automation, artificial intelligence, and precision agriculture will further enhance its efficiency. Researchers are working to expand its application to more crops and integrate it with advanced genetic technologies. Speed breeding is expected to become a standard tool in plant breeding programs worldwide. In conclusion, speed breeding is a powerful and innovative technique that is transforming plant breeding. By accelerating plant growth and reducing generation time, it enables faster development of improved crop varieties. It plays a crucial role in addressing global challenges such as food security and climate change. As technology continues to advance, the impact of speed breeding will only grow stronger. Let us conclude by reflecting on the importance of speed breeding in modern agriculture. As we have seen throughout this presentation, speed breeding is not just a technique, but a powerful tool that is reshaping the future of plant breeding. By significantly reducing the time required to develop new crop varieties, it allows scientists and breeders to respond quickly to global challenges such as climate change, emerging diseases, and the increasing demand for food. The integration of speed breeding with advanced technologies like molecular markers, genomic selection, and gene editing further enhances its potential, making crop improvement faster, more precise, and more efficient. As we move forward, the adoption of speed breeding will continue to grow, playing a crucial role in ensuring food security and sustainable agriculture for future generations. Thank you for your time and attention. I hope this video has provided valuable insights into the concept and applications of speed breeding. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on seed science and agricultural research. See you in the next video.